I got everything on video. McGregor said, "Let's McGregor." Yo, son, you gotta put your phone a little bit lower.
Let's go out. Let's go, guys. Out. Let's go out.
Get out of here now! Not telling you again!
Oh fuck!
Holy shit! What the fuck are these guys doing? These guys are in big trouble.
Oh fuck! Come on! It's just crazy. He's here.
Yo, this is why this guy got a chair,
Oye, te tengo una silla para aventarla.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
G, he's a G.
That's what
Agarra. Güey, está agarrando botes de basura para aventar. Hey, open the fucking door! Hey, you fucking... Oh shit! Let's get into it.
You alright, Mike? Mike, you okay? Get
Unreal, man.
Oh, we gotta get a medic. Get a medic.
Hey, this fucking what? Who are these guys?
What the fuck is wrong with him?
He's got a fucking trash.
That's why, oh yeah, fucking 14! Dude, we're gonna fucking kill this guy.
Ray, come to the back. You need to be in that.
Dude, what the fuck?
You need to be in that.
We're gonna kill these guys 100%. We're gonna kill this motherfucker.
Is my cut bad?
Whoa. Connor. Whoa. Connor.